Father, I plead the blood of Jesus over my mind, my body, my soul, my family, and my destiny. According to Revelation 12:11, they overcame him by the blood of the Lamb and by the word of their testimony. I testify today that the blood of Jesus speaks better things over me than any curse, witchcraft, or incantation. Break every whisper of darkness, Lord, let your glory fall on me. Your name is my refuge, my shelter, my strength, my victory. Let the blood of Jesus cover me, louder than every enemy's voice. I stand. According to Revelation 12:11, they overcame him by the blood of the Lamb and by the word of their testimony. I testify today that the blood of Jesus speaks better things over me than any curse, witchcraft, or incantation. Break every whisper of darkness, Lord, let your glory fall on me. Your name is my refuge.